Australian Feliks Zemdegs has won the Rubik's Cube World Challenge 2013. He completed his fastest single solve in a ridiculous 7.36 seconds. After 3 straight days of cubing at the event in Las Vegas, Zemdegs beat his fellow competitors with the fastest average time for solving a cube in 8.18 seconds. Scooping the top prize in the classic 3x3 Rubik's Cube Challenge, he won $3,000 in prize money, a championship trophy and of course a selection of Rubik's Cube goodies. The event took place at the Riviera Hotel and Casino, where some of the world's best Rubik's Cube solvers competed in more than 15 classic and non-traditional official cubing events.